Hello students, welcome to my channel. Now we are starting permutations when all objects are not distinct. This is the second category that we are having. The first category when all objects were distinct. Now all objects are not distinct. What to do in that type of question? We are going to discuss here. First we'll understand the theorem related to it. Suppose I have a word or n objects that I need to arrange. Now out of the n objects, I have P1 objects are of one coin, P2 objects are of second coin and Pk objects are of kth kind. मतलब ऐसा समझ लो अगर मेरे पास 11 objects है तो 2 objects suppose are of one kind, 3 objects are of second kind. इस टाइप से मुझे कुछ दिया है तो वैसे ही मैंने बताया P1 objects are of one kind, P2 objects are of second kind and Pk objects are of kth kind. And if any other objects are there, they are different kind, right? Then number of arrangements will be what? Factorial n upon p1 factorial into p2 factorial into p3 factorial into dash 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 pk factorial. Now the better way to understand this theorem is to take an example. Previously what we were doing, we were having a word like this, Bhopal. In this word we can see all letters, no letter is repeating, all letters are distinct. So in how many way we can arrange the letter of the word Bhopal is, how many letters are there? 6 letters are there and we have to arrange all the 6 letters. So we were writing 6p6. Now here if I take a letter, suppose India. Now in India we have 5 letters and all letters are not distinct. We have I 2 times. I कितनी बार है? 2 times. So initially we have to arrange all the 5 letters. So I will write 5p5. जैसे मैंने लिखा है ना factorial n, npn. But upon में I have to write what is repeating how many times. यहाँ पे I 2 times repeat हो रहा है. Means I will divide it by factorial 2. Next word, suppose I take onion. Onion में O is 2 times and N is also 2 times. Now generally we do 5p5, but here we have to divide. Divide by what? First O is of 2 objects are O and 2 objects are N. So I will divide factorial 2 into factorial 2. The third letter, mathematics. In mathematics, we have m 2 times, a 2 times, then m 2 times हो गया, a 2 times हो गया. We have t also 2 times, then tv 2 times हो गया, h e I c s. ठीक है, बस ये तीन ही लेटर रिपीट कर रहा है. How many words are letters are there? 4 plus 4 8 and 3 11. Now in how many ways you can arrange the letter of the word? A word having 11 letters. When all letters are distinct, you can write 11p11. But here all letters are not distinct, so we'll divide. Divide by what? How many times a letter is repeating? M is repeating 2 times, so इसके लिए हम लिखेंगे factorial 2. T is repeating 2 times, factorial 2. I is repeating 2 times, factorial 2. I hope this particular variety permutations when all objects are distinct are clear. Now we'll take some more example to make better understanding of this topic. Now next question we have, find the number of permutations of the letter of the word independence. अब जितने भी क्वेश्चंस रहेंगे इसमें लेटर्स रिपीट होंगे, ऐसे क्वेश्चंस आएंगे बिकॉज वी आर टेकिंग अ वैरायटी व्हेन लेटर्स आर रिपीटिंग, ऑल ऑब्जेक्ट्स आर नॉट डिस्टिंक्ट, राइट? Now here in the word independence, how many letters are there? 4, 4, 8 and 4, 12. 12 letters are there. So in how many way you can arrange is 12p12. But some letters are repeating, तो उसे divide करना पड़ेगा. Now which is repeating? देखो I, E, N. N is how many times? 1, 2, 3. N is 3 times. E 1, 2, 3, 4. E is 4 times. And D is 2 times. बस यही 3 लेटर से जो रिपीट कर रहे हैं. So N 3 times से I will divide it by factorial 3. These 4 times I will divide it by factorial 4, and these 2 times I will divide it by factorial 2. So this is factorial 12 upon factorial 3 into factorial 4 into factorial. So when you simplify this, you will get the answer 1663200. मैं इसकी कैलकुलेशन में नहीं जा रहा हूँ, you can easily calculate it. Our next question we have, how many ways 5 flags in which 3 are red, 1 is white and 1 is blue arranged on a staff which is one below the other if flakes of one color are not distinguishable. Means to flag के color से अगर मैं red 3 बोल रहा हूँ तो we cannot distinguish which red is there. All are looking like similar, we cannot distinguish. Now in how many ways we can have we can arrange this? So we have total 5 flags. So answer we can write total 5 flags can be arranged in 5 ways, but some are repeating. Red is 3 times, white is 1 time and blue is 1 time. तो 1 के लिए तो कोई दिक्कत होती नहीं है भाई. 3 के लिए we'll divide it by factorial 3. 1 के लिए लिखना हो तो factorial 1 लिख सकते हैं या ना भी लिखें. So answer is factorial 5 upon factorial 3, that is 120 by 6, that is 20. So 20 ways होंगे जिनसे हम इसे अरेंज कर सकते हैं. तो ये 3 एग्जांपल है, सफिशिएंट है इस वैरायटी को समझने के लिए. नाउ इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी आर कमिंग विद combining the previous 2 variety with some restrictions. कुछ restriction के साथ क्वेश्चंस करने वाले हैं. ओके